Welcome to Yoshimura's Repack video. We thank you for your support and let's get on with the show. There are several tools needed to complete this installation. You will need a soft face mallet, a hammer, a drill press is optional, but a hand drill will do just fine, with a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch chuck, a number 9 drill bit, a pin punch for a 0.2 inch hole, screwdriver, safety goggles, heavy duty work gloves, some shop towels, RTV silicone sealant, and a soft work pad. Once you've gathered up these items, we're ready to begin. Step 1. Using the drill press or the hand drill, drill through the rivet center. Placing the soft work pad under the muffler will help keep the muffler from moving. Continue until all rivets have been removed. Step 2. After all the rivets have been drilled through, use the pin punch to knock them out. Step 3. With all the rivets knocked out, use a soft face mallet to knock on the end cap while rotating the muffler. Continue until the end cap is removed. Step 4. Now that the end cap is removed, repeat the previous step to remove the inlet cap. Using a soft face mallet, knock on the inlet cap as the muffler is rotated. Continue until the inlet cap is removed. Step 5. At this point, you will be able to see inside the muffler. Inside, you will see the baffle. Again, using the soft face mallet, knock out the baffle. Step 6. Using heavy-duty work gloves, remove all of the old packing. Be careful of the metal wiring of the steel wool packing. Step 7. Lay the baffle on top of the new pillow packing material. Then wrap around. Step 8. Now that the baffle is wrapped in the new pillow packing, refit the sleeve, noting the proper end. Step 9. Be sure to fit all of the packing material into the sleeve and fit the inlet cap back onto the sleeve. Step 10. At this point, we are ready to reassemble the muffler. Refit the inlet side metal rivet band using a single rivet to hold both ends where the band overlaps. Step 11. Install balance of rivets, making sure to fit all before riveting. Step 12. Refit the end cap, then repeat step 10. Refit the side metal rivet band using a single rivet to hold both ends where the band overlaps. Step 13. Apply the RTV silicone sealant to the seams. Wipe off excess with shop towel. Step 14. Be sure to clean off oil before starting the engine. It is not uncommon for a little bit of smoke after startup as fresh packing and oils burn off. That's it. You have now finished repacking your muffler. Remember to repack your muffler every 7 to 10,000 miles for street systems and every 10 to 15 hours for off-road systems.